Today, we're going to talk about why Verse8 is truly a game changer for Web3 game creators, and why it makes launching your own token easier than ever, thanks to the integration with cross-game chain. If you've ever thought that building a blockchain-enabled game required a team of engineers, weeks of coding, or deep knowledge of smart contracts, you're going to be surprised at how Verse8 completely changes that. Let's start by looking at the traditional way games are built. In most cases, creating a game means you need a team. You need programmers, UI designers, back-end engineers, and, if you want blockchain functionality, you need smart contract developers. Implementing even something simple, like a reward system or a currency, can take weeks. Adding blockchain or token mechanics makes it exponentially harder. You have to write contracts, test them, deploy them safely, manage wallets, ensure security, and think about liquidity. Even small mistakes can be expensive or compromise the player experience. For indie studios, this often means they either give up on Web3 entirely or spend months just trying to get something working. Verse8 flips this model on its head. Instead of thinking in code, you think in ideas. You describe what you want to create, and the AI builds it for you. Whether it's a battle arena game, a card game, a roguelike, or a strategy game, Verse8 interprets your prompts and generates all the game logic, mechanics, UI, and player progression systems automatically. You no longer need to write a single line of code to make a playable game. Your job becomes purely creative, designing the game loop, the progression, the rewards, and the player experience. One of the most powerful aspects of Verse8 is how it integrates with cross-game chain. Normally, launching a blockchain token is intimidating. You have to write a smart contract, test it, audit it, and then deploy it to the blockchain. Mistakes can cost thousands of dollars. With Cross, Verse8 handles all of that for you. Once your in-game currency is ready, you can use Cross to mint a real token and connect it directly to your game. The AI can create prompts that say something like, redeem 50 arena essence for 1 arena token, and within minutes, your token exists on-chain, ready for players to mint, hold, or trade. What this means is that any creator, even without blockchain experience, can launch a real token economy. You don't need to worry about coding contracts, wallets, or liquidity pools. Cross handles all of the back-end infrastructure, the minting logic, token ownership, and network deployment. And because it's integrated with Verse8, the entire process is seamless. You design the game, design the rewards, and the token comes to life automatically. Another reason Verse8 is better is that it's iterative and flexible. You can experiment freely. Want to change the redemption rate of your token? Want to add new ways to earn tokens through gameplay or events? You just update your prompts, and the AI modifies the game logic accordingly. You don't need to rewrite contracts, redeploy servers, or rebuild databases. This flexibility allows creators to test new ideas quickly and refine their games based on real player behavior. Verse8 also makes scaling incredibly simple. Whether you're starting with a small test game or planning to launch a game for thousands of players, the system handles all of the underlying mechanics and blockchain integrations. You don't need to worry about the game breaking when more players join, or the token economy collapsing under increased demand. Cross provides a secure, reliable, and scalable blockchain infrastructure, while Verse8 ensures the gameplay remains smooth and engaging. One of the most overlooked benefits is that Verse8 allows you to focus on player engagement and meaningful token utility. With traditional Web3 games, tokens are often just an afterthought, something players earn but don't know how to use. With Verse8 and Cross, your token is baked into the gameplay from the start. Players can use it to unlock cosmetic items, enter special events, upgrade abilities, or participate in community governance. Because the token is integrated with the game, it enhances the experience instead of being a distraction. Imagine designing a fantasy arena game. Players compete in matches, earn a resource called Arena Essence, and then redeem that essence for a real blockchain token called Arena. With Verse8, you don't have to code a single redemption system. You simply prompt the AI, allow players to redeem 50 Arena Essence for 1 Arena token and display a Mint Arena button in the interface. Within minutes, your in-game resource is tied to a real token on Cross, ready for minting and trading. It's that easy. This approach also protects the economy. You can set caps, limits, and token sinks to prevent inflation, making your in-game economy sustainable. For example, players might spend Arena tokens on cosmetic upgrades, entry fees for tournaments, or special events. These sinks give purpose to your tokens, ensure players remain engaged, and maintain long-term value. Another key advantage is that Verse8 is creator-first. Unlike other platforms that force you to work within rigid templates or require deep coding knowledge, Verse8 lets you design exactly what you want. The AI adapts to your vision, building the mechanics, UI, and progression systems to match. You have full creative control while the AI handles the heavy lifting. In addition, the integration with Cross means you have security, transparency, and ownership baked in. Players can trust that the tokens they earn are real, verifiable on-chain assets. You don't have to worry about handling private keys, auditing contracts, or maintaining a complex backend. Cross handles all of this, so you can focus on building a fun, engaging game. Finally, Verse8 accelerates time to market. What used to take weeks or months now takes hours or days. You can create a playable game, implement an in-game currency, connect it to a token, test it, and deploy it to mainnet, all in a matter of days. This speed allows creators to experiment, iterate, and grow communities faster than ever before. To sum up, Verse8 is better because it combines creativity, simplicity, and blockchain power into a single platform. It removes the technical barriers that stop most people from building Web3 games, while giving you the tools to launch real token economies with Cross. It's fast, flexible, secure, and creator-focused. If you're a game designer, an indie studio, or even someone with just a great idea, Verse8 allows you to take that idea from concept to live game with a real token economy, without all the headaches of traditional game development. In short, Verse8 isn't just easier, it's smarter, faster, and more powerful. It's the platform that makes Web3 game creation accessible, sustainable, and meaningful.